Okay. Is this thing on? Is this working? Hmm.
Yeah, Jessica, can you hear me? Can you see me?
Oh, hey, Mr. Nathan. How's it going?
Great.
Cool. We did it. We made it through our first few days of online learning. High
Yeah,
five.
high five.
Hmm. Well, we are really, really proud of all of you guys, all the students out there that are working really, really hard. We've seen so much engagement and hard work from you over the past few days. We're really impressed.
Absolutely. Good job to all of you. High five. Let's do this. Yeah, well done. There were some obstacles to overcome, but I do feel like we are making progress. I use my hands to help some teachers set up their videos. I use my head to stay organized and be ready to problem solve. And with my heart, that's been the hardest part, to be honest.
Yeah, I get that. It's really strange to be away from all of our friends and all of our teachers for so long. And it feels kind of weird because it's hard to stay connected. Do you have any ideas or how are you staying connected with people when we're all stuck in our houses?
Well, there has been email, which is okay, but we could also try and, I don't know, make a phone call. Students, you could ask your parents if it's okay to call your friends just to say hello and see how they're doing.
That's a great idea. You know, I wonder if our students have any ideas too of how to stay connected with each other while we're all separated. And maybe we could ask them.
Yeah, go for it. Ask them.
All right, students, do you have any ideas about how we can stay connected during this time where school is closed and we're all separated? If you have any ideas, use this message board. We're putting a link down below and share your ideas with us. Next week, we'll record another video and we'll share some of the best ideas that we see on there.
All right, switching gears. Here we go. First full week of the new format. Here are some practical tips to get you started. Jessica, take it away.
All right, number one, the most important thing, get enough sleep. Go to bed at a regular time and wake up at a regular time. Getting enough sleep is super, super important so that you can stay focused and engaged all day long, every day.
Tip number two, make sure you have a good place to dig into your work, one that doesn't have too many distractions. So you might find that a sofa is a good place to do some reading, but the sofa is definitely not a great place to be doing some math.
I agree. I think the third tip is to create a schedule and stick to it. This routine is going to help you stay happy, healthy, and organized. And you can work with your families to create a schedule that works for you, but make sure you have one and you stick to it.
You mean like waking up, having breakfast, doing a little exercise, then like a walk or some stretches, and then some work with half hours time periods and snacks in between? I hope that's what you mean.
Definitely.
That's my
Yes.
routine.
I think that sounds perfect, especially since you've included those snacks throughout the day too. So that's all we have for now. We hope that your week goes really, really well. And if you have any questions, concerns, or you just want to reach out and say hi, send us a message. We'd love to hear from you because we really miss you.
Yeah, I like that. Write us anytime. I miss seeing you all on the playground and miss you knocking on the window saying what's up. And I definitely miss the fist bumps.
Well, we don't know quite when we'll see you again, but we miss you and we wish you the best.
Peace.
Bye. Okay.
Did you see me?
Hey, Mr. Nathan, I hear
Oh,
you.
over
Where?
here.
Oh,
Over
there you
here.
are.
Hey, what's
Hey,
up?
how's it
Hey,
going?
it's good. We
Hey,
made
we,
it,
we
right?
made it.
High five.
Yeah, we made it through our first few days of online learning. High
Boom.
five.